OFM Sport.
Yeah, I think definitely it's an opportunity for guys to get rewarded for hard work. Like I mentioned in the beginning, we want to be known as the team that works the hardest. And we've got a lot of people that are putting up their hands with regards to the hard work that they put in. And it will definitely be a situation where we would like to give some players an opportunity to show that they can do it on the field as well, not just on the training field.
But there's also a very fine balance in having your experience and your youth in the mix for a potentially Isong score.
No, definitely. And I always make the joke that I have no lack of experienced players in the pack. So it's quite easy for me to give a young guy an opportunity if you have guys like Victor and Piet van Zyl and Marco Aranos Kutsia. I think if the team is announced and you look at the team, you will see that it's not just a case of putting young guys in. There's a plan. There's a plan with having experienced guys and maybe adding one or two inexperienced guys so that they have the experienced players around them to help them out should the need be. But we're very excited with the guys that's getting an opportunity.